Welcome back everybody to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to pay a credit card. Firstly, you have the option to pay it online. Transfer money from your linked bank account to your credit card account. To do it, do it at your card issuer's website or their mobile app. Just set up autopay so your bill is always paid on time, even if you forget. Secondly, pay over the phone. Call your credit card issuer's payment number and provide your bank account number and other required details. It's good for quick payments when you can't access the app or website. Thirdly, try to pay with cash at your card issuer's bank branch, sometimes via an ATM. It's important not all issuers accept cash payments. Check their rules first. And finally, pay with a check. How it works: write a paper check for the amount you want to pay and mail it to your card issuer's payment address. Just a reminder, mail early to allow processing time so your payment isn't late. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.